So Vitae Sodales, join me for a dynamic Latin study opportunity this summer at the Meter Center for Calvin Studies here in Grand Rapids. 16th century scholars were trained in Latin from their earliest years by reading the Roman classics and church fathers. To approach their work responsibly, we must understand the works that shaped their thought. Days 1 through 3 of this workshop include Cicero, Seneca, Lactantius, Augustine, Bernard, and Aquinas. Days 4 and 5 are Lorenzo Valla, Erasmus, and Guillaume Budé. Days 6 through 10, which are the second week, focus on excerpts from Oecolampadius, Calvin, Vermigli, and Beza. Now in each session we will use this pattern. Participants will have the opportunity to read aloud a portion of the Latin, provide a working translation for mutual refinement and improvement, and receive feedback on constructions and ideas typical to the different authors. I'll be providing that feedback. The participants will be interacting with it. The goal is for each participant to refine and strengthen their understanding of lexemes, grammar, syntax, and semantics. The broader aims of the workshop are twofold. First, help participants grow in confidence in approaching unfamiliar texts. And secondly, help participants gain appreciation for the broad conversation in which the authors of the 16th century are participating. Space is limited to 10 students and stipends are available. Please click the link below for more details, and I hope to see you there this summer. Vale tota omnes.